Ever pondered the secret formula to business success and wealth creation? Ever wondered what distinguishes the self-made millionaires from the crowd? Well, the answers lie in the wisdom of Grant Hilton, the self-made multimillionaire and director of KSGH Security. You see, Hilton doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk. He's been there, done that, and now he's sharing his secrets with you through his compelling ebooks. Take John, a small business owner from Nebraska. He says, "I was on the verge of bankruptcy. Then I read Hilton's ebooks. The insights I gained transformed my business. Today, I'm thriving and have even expanded my business operations." Then there's Sarah, a single mom and entrepreneur from New York. She shares, "Hilton's ebooks gave me the confidence to start my own business. Now, I'm not just making a living, I'm building wealth for my family." Hilton's ebooks are not just about business strategies. They delve deep into the art of wealth creation, providing practical advice on financial management, investment strategies, and much more. Mike, a college dropout turned successful entrepreneur from Texas, swears by Hilton's ebooks. He says, "Hilton's advice on investing and money management has been a game changer for me. I've successfully built a diverse investment portfolio thanks to his ebooks." These are real people sharing real experiences. They were once where you are now, but they took a leap of faith. They chose to invest in knowledge, and today, they're reaping the rewards. Hilton's ebooks are a treasure trove of insights, tips, and strategies. They're a distillation of years of hard-earned experience, delivered in an easy-to-understand format. They're your roadmap to business success and wealth creation. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Grant Hilton. Start your journey towards business success and wealth creation today. Purchase Hilton's ebooks. Empower yourself with knowledge, because knowledge is not just power, it's wealth, it's success, it's freedom. Make the smart choice. Choose Hilton's ebooks.